And no matter what, keep doing what you keep doing whatever it is.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a lot to do, but I'm starting in the car because I'm leaving and I'm about to go handle some business real quick. My car key fell into the trash just a while ago. I'm not talking about no regular trash, I'm talking about the big trash that you bring out every Friday, Sunday, whenever you bring out your trash. I'm talking about that big trash. It fell all the way at the bottom and I had to lean my long body into the trash and try to take the key out. I had to wash the puff ball that was on it, wash the other little keychain accessories. Everything that I have on my key is literally stuff that can dry easily, like the metal stuff. All the other stuff had to dry, so that's how my morning is starting. And y'all, I braided the front of my hair. You like it? You like it? But anyways, oh yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You know, hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. So let's go. I gotta get an oil change. I was supposed to do it a long time ago before I get a car, but I'm just gonna get it just to be prepared, just to like be up on top of maintenance and stuff. Probably get a car wash. I need more water. I ran out of water. That's about it. So let's go. See you guys in the next clip. Y'all, let me turn this off. I go tampered with the setting. Y'all can't see me, bro. Oh my god. I tampered with the setting of the camera yesterday and put it on. And yesterday, and now it looks horrible. Y'all might not be able to notice the difference, but I do. I do, and I don't like it. And why my phone going so slow right now? Like, it's on 6%. I need it so I can, whatever. Let me not stress. But as y'all can see, I'm going into the DD's. It's right there. DD's discount. I need to go buy a bedspread. So I'm about to go park up and go in there. I just got the oil change. Almost lick somebody and take them life. Why do people in Florida think they can just walk out willy-nilly? You would get licked, sir. Him over there, so you see him? That skinny man there nearly get licked and flip over and tumble over. Because why are you walking and you know you see me coming? And I'm not even speeding, y'all. I'm literally in a plaza, so I can't speed. He see me coming slowly and he's pulling his hand out to cross. Let me go. You see me right there? But pedestrian right away. Right away, my Ross. I can't even find a damn spot. Whatever, I'm gonna park it where I was before. Park there and just call it a day. But yeah, the setting is horrible. I just came back from getting my oil change. I got my oil change for free. Yup. I think it's because of my first oil change with them. So, and it's the New Year's. They have some kind of discount going on. Some kind of deal going on, and I got it for free, which is a blessing. Now, I need to go get my car washed, but I might not even do that today, to be honest. My phone is like completely dead. I need to go back to the house. I need to grab some stuff, whatever. So I'm just gonna go into the DD's and buy this bedspread, and I'm probably gonna buy a jeans pants. Gonna need some jeans pants. All I have is sweats, like I said. So let's go in here. My lip is dry. I didn't eat nothing from morning. Nothing from morning. Yo, this setting is ridiculously. It makes me look so dang orange. I look like a damn Oompa Loompa. Y'all, I done got used to wearing these tote bags. I feel like a grown lady. I never used to wear bags like this. I used to just wear a shoulder bag. Dang, that hit really hard. I call it a day, but I'm so mature. I'm so mature. If you don't know where I get that from, you just don't know, and I don't have time to explain it to you, okay? Let's go, y'all. Y'all, I stopped at the Arby's. The setting is so horrible, like whatever. I stopped at the Arby's to get some food, and I know y'all gonna say every minute we come on the vlog, Manifa eat out or eating some fast food stuff. Like, y'all, I just moved in to the apartment, and I moved in the middle of, well, not just, but like about 2 weeks now, and I moved in the middle of the month of December, like almost to the end, so I had to pay a discounted price, and they told me the kitchen isn't done because I was begging them to move in early because I was tired of paying, you know, the prices for the Airbnb. So I end up like moving in. They agreed to it, paid them their local price or whatever, and yes. I'm sorry, I'm looking at it because I don't like the pulp stuff.
What is the pulp stuff?
I don't know. I'm gonna mix it up. Like pulp, you know, like when you squeeze a lemon or an orange and it has that
Oh,
thing.
that's a strawberry when you try to mix it.
All of them is like that?
Yeah. If you put the straw in you.
So how the lemonade, regular lemonade look? Just like this? What, regular? I'm sorry. Can I just get regular lemonade? I'm sorry, I don't like pulp. I'm so sorry to make you do that again. I'm sorry. Me just want regular lemonade. Anyways. So they allowed me to move in. Informed me that the kitchen wasn't fully renovated. So that's why I've been eating out, because I don't have like the stove part. They didn't put in the stove part. They have a microwave. Oh, barbecue. Thank you, ma'am. Make that look better. Thank you. You too, thank you. So yes, I've been eating out because of that simple. Oh, I should have put y'all on the tripod. Right now, y'all not even on the tripod. Because of that reason. So don't think I'm just a big gal. No offense. That just love damn food. I love damn food. I love my belly, don't get me wrong. But I don't like spend money unnecessarily on food like that. You know what I mean? So, and I love to, well, I'm learning how to budget more. So like this is cutting into my budget all the time. But what the hell me just leak? It's for a greater purpose, you know? By next week, I think, because it's the 1st, right? They already started working on it. By next week, they should be done completely. So, yeah. I need to go buy pots and pans and stuff like that. But that's the reason. Since, if anybody want to know why I've been eating out crazy like this. Alright, I gotta tell y'all something while I'm in the car driving to my next location. I stopped at the Arby's, right? I told y'all why I've been eating out, so don't judge me. You guys are sleeping on the Arby's because Arby's bad. No, sir. I sound like a real food head, but I'm not playing. When I was growing up, I'm acting like I'm 150. Back in my days, Arby's used to be the place where it's like, Arby's, we got the meats, they sell the roast beef. Yeah, them nasty sandwich there. No, right now I got a chicken wrap salad, a chicken salad wrap. With lettuce, onions, the chicken. Got some barbecue sauce and some fries with a lemonade. They got chicken sandwich, they got chicken salads, they got shakes. Like, they done stepped up their game. I used to be like, why do people eat at Arby's? The line is short, so I decided to go over there. See what we can buy. And I'm glad I did, because now it's one of my favorite places now. Like, it's beating, I wouldn't say it's beating Wendy's or McDonald's. Well, yeah, it's beating them. When it comes to flavor, it's beating them. Price, if I look more expensive than them, but it's definitely better quality food. Like, it tastes better. Obviously, it's fast food, and nothing quality about fast food, but you know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. Let me show y'all how to. Y'all, I'm about to go on the highway, and I'm trying to show y'all a sandwich while I rap. Don't do what I do. Do what I say. Yeah, pro. Let me stop. But look at this sandwich before I go on the main highway. Not even a sandwich. It's a chicken wrap. It's a chicken wrap from 81st Deli, Superior. I'm just joking. From Arby's, of course. And it's like a wheat bread. So this is the healthy. I try to be a little bit healthy. It's really good. All right, y'all. Bye. Y'all, I made it back to the house after being out from morning. When you guys saw me, I'm just now reaching back to the house. Put my hair in this local style because it is hot outside. But anyway, I'm sorry. I'm gonna continue to keep apologizing for the way I've been vlogging. I'm not used to vlogging. I vlogged before, like way when I first started YouTube. I used to vlog, but also it's the fact that I just keep forgetting to pull out the camera because I just live in the moment sometimes, and I'll be forgetting to pull out the camera. But let me tell you what I did. So I went to go get a car oil change. I think I recorded that, maybe I didn't, but I went to get an oil change. I didn't get the car wash. I'm gonna do that sometime next week or something. But then I went to buy some jeans pants. I bought like 3 jeans pants because I told y'all I don't have, hold on, I want to put y'all somewhere. And last time y'all saw me, I was in the TJ, no, I was in the DD discount. I did not get the sheets, the comforter. I didn't get the shower caddy. I didn't get none of that. I'm just going to order them online and show you guys, or go buy it at a different store at a different time earlier, because that line was too long. The line was so long, it was wrapped around. I was like, no, I'm not standing in this line so long just for 2-3 items. No. So I put them right back. I'm gonna trod myself on to the car because no, I'm not doing it, bro. I'm not doing that. That's how I ended up at the Dollar Tree and all that. It took forever because then by that time traffic is on the road. It was just so much, yo. So I'm sorry I didn't get to vlog it. Bear with me. But I bought some pants, 3 pants. I told y'all all I have is sweatpants right now. Sweatpants and leggings and shorts, stuff like that for the house. I don't really have jeans pants or any pants at all. So I bought some pants, like 3 pairs of pants. I also bought some shoes, y'all. I needed a local workout shoes. And I bought these from Walmart. Walmart, a step up in our life, because Look how cute these are. They probably don't look as cute on the camera. These are nice looking workout shoes, though. Nice looking workout shoes. These are nice. Very sturdy. Nice running shoes. You know, really bendable. Durable. And I just like the colors. It's really cute. As soon as that kitchen get renovated, my back on my fitness thing, I gained a couple pounds since I've been here eating unhealthy and stuff. I also went to Dollar Tree. See, I went to so much stores. I went to Walmart. I went to Dollar Tree. I went to TJ Maxx for the pants. Like, I went so much places and I didn't vlog nothing. Nothing. Like, such a horrible hunger, bro. I went to Dollar Tree to buy some paper towel because, like I said, well, I have to put in mind that some people that click on this video might be new. So, like, I don't use regular towels to wipe my face. I use paper towels because they're more sanitary and they don't harbor or transfer dirt onto your skin. So I just bought 2 more to re-up. I bought some snacks, stuff to snack when I'm at work and stuff. Bought a coconut oil. They got coconut oil in the Dollar Tree. I bought some coconut oil. This is to oil pull. If you guys don't know nothing about oil pull, it's a natural teeth whitener and it also helps with build up gunk and dirt. It's a natural floss too. You can switch it around just like a mouthwash and it gets rid of bacteria. Also, this help to, if you got cavities or anything, this can help prevent more from coming and help the ones that are already there to diminish, I guess. This coconut oil is good. You can also use coconut oil on to remove makeup. There's so much benefits and use for coconut oil to cook, but I'm not using it to cook. I'm using it to oil pull, like I said. Let me drink this water. I bought a water too. This alkaline water. I heard alkaline water is good for you, but I prefer my good old spring water. Alkaline is good too, but some of these water like this and the mineral ones are low-key not good for you. But yeah, that's it. Hold on, let me get y'all off the tilt. That's about it. This vlog is I don't know if I'm gonna add anything to the vlog, but if I don't add anything to the vlog, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. Thank you guys again, and see you guys in my next